आपदामपहर्तारम् धातारं सर्वसंपदाम् लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामम् भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। Now the rishis had addressed Parvati, Sapta rishis, and Vidhi, that is Brahma, also had gone and they had teased Parvati that now you have made a wrong vow, therefore they have not gained anything. But she said, you are the ones who have made the mistake. I have not erred at all. So what you think that Shiva has actually burnt Kamadeva is a wrong notion of yours. See what is going to happen in future. तात अनल कर सहज सुभाव हिमते ही निकट जाई नहीं काऊ। गए समीप सो अवसि न साई असी मन्मथ महेश की नाई। आप लोग ऋषि, your rishis, you all know this, the nature of Agni. Agni has got a certain natural tendency, it burns everything which goes in front of it. हे तात, अग्नि का तो यह सहज स्वभाव ही है कि पाला उसके समीप कभी जा ही नहीं सकता और जाने पर वह अवश्य नष्ट हो जाएगा। पाला का मतलब है बर्फ, वो यदि नजदीक जाता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल मेल्ट एंड गो अवे। सो महादेव जी और कामदेव के संबंध में भी यही न्याय बात समझना चाहिए। काम तो पाला है, वो गया था वहाँ नजदीक पा गया अग्नि के पास और वो जल गया। इसमें महादेव का कोई करतूत नहीं है उसमें। ही हर्षे मुनि वचन सुनी देखी प्रीति विश्वास चले भवानी ही नाय सिर गए हिमाचल पास। So the Saptarishis were very, very overwhelmed, very, very pleased with what Parvati said. So now they saw her deep trust and faith in her own self-confidence and also in the faith in Shiva. So they all now did prostration, they saluted Parvati, they fell at her, worshipped her, and then they went to Himachal, father of Parvati. Sabhu prasangu giripati pati hi sunava मदन दहन सुनि अति दुख पावा बहुरी कहे उरति कर बरदाना सुनि हिमवंत बहुत सुख माना। So the rishis have gone and narrated everything to Himagiri, that is Himalaya Parvat, Giriraj. And when he heard that Madana, Kamadeva was burnt, he felt very sad about it. And then they told him about the Varadan, the boon which Parvati had received by the Ashariravani, and also the boon which she had received, and that they was very, very happy. Himawat was very, very happy that Parvati has been blessed with Shiva's grace. Hridaya vichari sambhu prabhutai सादर मुनि बर लिए बोलाई सुदिनु सुनखत सुघरी सोचाई वेगी वेद विधि लगन धराई Brahmachari Sambhu Prabhutai. So Himavan, Himalaya Parvat is now thinking about the greatness of Shiva. Sadar Munivar liye bolai. He immediately called the Munivars and then he told them, the Munis or Rishis, Sudinu, Sunakhatu, Sughari, Sochai. So Shubha Nakshatra, Shubha Din or Shubha Gadi. Seeghra hi dekh karke, you immediately tell me the right time, right day and all everything, right star, right constellation and tell me quickly, let us immediately arrange the marriage. Sheeghra hi lagna nischay karakar likhwa li. He also got it written by them. Patri sapta rishin soi dini gahi pad vinaya himachal kini jai vidhi tin dini sopati vachat pritin hridaya samati. Then immediately after he got the auspicious hour written, exactly traditionally got it written. Here what we do in Kailas Ashrama, Param Puji Maharaj will always say, bring one paper and on the top on all four corners we'll apply kumku and haldi on the top of the four corners, and then it will be written with first Om Shri Rajarajeshwari Prasanna and everything will be written. So all that was beautifully written. And what did Himavan do? He gave that back to the rishis. Then he said, he fell at his feet and said, now you start the process. So all the people went and gave it to Vidhi. Vidhi is Bhagavan Brahma. The first invitation is to Bhagavan Brahma. So gave it to Brahma, and Brahma read that and he was very, very happy. Very, very happy, overwhelmed. Lagan bachya jasavahi sunai Harshe muni sab sur samudai Suman vrishti nabh bhajan baje Mangal kalas dasahu disira disi saje Lagan bachi ajas sabahi sunai. Brahma ji, he reads that Patrika and tells everybody, see, if such a beautiful occasion has come. Bhagavan Shiva is going to marry to Parvati. What a wonderful occasion for all of us. Harshe Muni Sab Sur Samudaya. All the devatas and rishis were all very, very happy. They immediately dropped flowers. Sumana Vrishti Nabha Bhajan Lage. Everywhere they are offering flowers, and then all the instruments are being played. Mangal Kalas Dasam Disisaje. Decorations began immediately. Everywhere you see Mangal Kalash is being kept. In this context, there is a very beautiful thing. In the olden days there was a tradition. When scholars of Sanskrit meet one another, so the king used to call them, then have a small seminar. So scholars of Sanskrit. And one of those events which took place there is called as Samasya Purti. The event which took place is called as Samasya Purti. So one group of scholars are here, the other group of scholars are there. So one group of scholars will give one line, like we played word game, etc. So they will give one line which is apparently meaningless. The line which they say will be meaningless. It will look as though it has got no meaning. The other group of scholars will give that line meaning. So they will add something and then they will make it meaningful. For example, Takram Shakrasya Durlabham. Takram Shakrasya Durlabham is 3 words which one group of scholars have given me, which means Indra, even for Indra, buttermilk was very difficult to get. Even for Indra, the lord of the Devatas, he could not get buttermilk. Buttermilk was so valuable that he could not get it. That is the statement made by them. The answer given by the other scholars is, they split the sentence into 3 words. Takram, Shakrasya, Durlabham. Takram means buttermilk. Shakrasya means for Indra. Durlabham means very difficult to get. So Takram, Shakrasya, Durlabham. So they took the first word and put a question to that. Bhojananteja kimpathyam. What should one drink what should one consume after food? Takram. What should one consume after food? Immediately after food, one should drink a glass of buttermilk. Bhojanante cha kimpatyam takram. Jayantah kasya vaisutaha. Whose son is Jayanta? Son of Indra. So Indrasya. Katham Vishnu Padam Proktam. How is Vaikuntha? Very difficult to attain. So 3 questions, 3 answers. What should one take after food? Buttermilk. Whose son is Jayanta? Indra's. And what is difficult to attain? Vaikuntha. Takram Shakrasya Durlabham. So this was the very honest answer. So in the context of the marriage, Kalidasa was present in a sabha. So the opponent scholar said, at least this is understandable, no? Takram Shakrasya Durlabham. It is a beautiful words, one can understand. The other scholar says tha tham tatam tam tatatam tatam ta. Tha tham tatam tam tatatam tatam ta. Now you make sense out of it. Kalidasa was a very great poet. Immediately said, Ramabhisheke. He starts the composition. Ramabhisheke Jalamaharantya Hastachyuto Hema Ghata Yuvatya Sopanamasadya Karoti Shabdam Thatam Tatam Tam Tatatam Tatam Taha. What is the meaning? It was Pattabhisheka of Rama was arranged. The Pattabhisheka of Rama was arranged, and very, very young ladies, well dressed, they were all carrying golden kalashas. They were all carrying golden kalashas full of water for the sake of Abhisheka of Sri Ram. So while they were walking, one of the ladies, the kalasha dropped from the hand on the stairs, and it made this noise. Ta-tam, ta-tam, tam, ta-ta-tam, ta-tam, ta. That is a beautiful way of composing which was there in the old days. So here, all the ladies and everything are carrying kalashas. We do not know what sound is coming. Maybe very, very beautiful. All nadas are coming from here when the preparation for Shiva's wedding with Parvati is going on. Jasadula husntasi bani barata. Jasadula hutasi bani barata. Have you left one page? Oh, I have left one page. Lagan Bash. Now we have come to page number 106. Yeah. Lage Savaran Sakal Sura. Lage Savaran Sakal Sura. Bahana Bibidha Vimana. Bahana Bibidha Vimana. Ho hi Sagun Mangal Subhada. Ho hi Sagun Mangal Subhada. Karahi Apachara Gana. The Ghoshana, the proclamation was already over. So Brahma has already proclaimed, he has read out the Patrika to everybody. So everybody is now preparing. What all is happening, you see? Lage Savaran Sakal Sur Vahana Bibidh Viman. Sab Devata apne bhanti bhanti ke vahan aur viman sajane lage. All decoration has started. You know, beautiful things, what you call as festoons, flowers, and then jewelry, whatever they had, they all began decorating their vahanas. Kalyana Prad Mangal Shakun Hone Lage. Then you see, beautiful auspicious omens are coming there. Auspicious omens, light, beautiful air is coming, cuckoos are singing, all these are auspicious omens, all omens they could see. And then Apsarai, the Deva Kanyas, they started singing. Ramba, Urvashi, Menaka, Gritachi, Tilottama, all are singing beautiful music. So this particular wonderful atmosphere, the preparation for Shiva's wedding is going on. Hari Om Tat Sat.